Maybe it's not perfectly, but I have some more groups, and there was no time to clean the floor. Okay. So two people here. This is it. And by now we can go directly to the salt mine.
Oh yeah.
So it
Thank you
takes
so much.
approximately maybe 25, half an hour to reach the little car park, and then I will join you to professional English speaking guy.
Okay na kaya na likod din. Lawson. Usa na tog nang nakalingkod lagi. Is ka mga gwapa ba anin nila? Hi, Krakow. Ay, sus.
Approximately on this time, I will back around 2 o'clock from the city with my previous group, so I will be there earlier if you finish earlier, so no worries. Okay, so please follow me.
We need to remember the way.
Just remember the way, and that's it. Enjoy your tour, and see you later.
Yes, see you.
See you later. 3-3.
Taas pa kayo? Ha? Ay, katanaw. Oh, nay. Taas kayo, mami? Taas kayo? Kaya na. Panuman ang boss. Nga nang sa 26.
Salty ceilings and floors, but in some places the floor will be pure concrete, so I will ladies and gentlemen, the mine itself consists of 9 levels in total. So the deepest level is located, level 9, is located 327 meters under the ground. So it means if you would like to beat the entire Eiffel Tower here, it wouldn't even scratch the surface, because Eiffel Tower is 324 regions here. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to start the tour? Yes! And ladies and gentlemen, are you okay? Everyone's okay? Yes! Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, please follow me to the next chamber.
Ano pag yun eh? Pinapag mo na.
Look how many trees you have to bring down. So, ladies and gentlemen, right now we are in the first chamber included in the tourist route, the Ushua chamber. And here I would like to tell you something more.
Next chapel. Next chapel. Chamber. Next chamber.
So, ladies and gentlemen, right now we are in the middle of a chamber dedicated to Nicolaus Copernicus, famous Polish astronomer who is the creator of the heliocentric theory. So that's the theory that. So, ladies and gentlemen, here you can see some more salty sculptures. I mean, you'll see. You'll see more during our trip. But here you can see some more amazing sculptures. I mean, every one of them is, like special, amazing. It took much time to, create such sculptures. But I think that the most important and the most interesting one is the sculpture of the princess in the middle. This is Princess Kinga. You may nowadays better know her as Saint Kinga. And in fact, right now I would like you to listen to a legend explaining the legend.
Threw her engagement ring into it. When she arrived to her new country, she requested the miners to look for salt. The result came soon. The miners discovered salt deposits near Krakow, that gave Poland centuries-long prosperity. They say that Kinga's engagement ring was found in the first salt lump extracted.
So as you could have heard, it's a pretty beautiful legend. Following me. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, here on your left-hand side, you can see a phenomenon which is called the second crystallization of salt. We call this salt the cauliflower salt because it looks kind of like a cauliflower, and basically when there's too much humidity nearby, the salty wall, the salt from the rock salt basically crystallizes again. Here you can see how it crystallized on itself, but in some places you'll be able to see how the crystallization Everyone okay? Yeah, okay, I'm glad to hear that. So ladies and gentlemen, since 1924, there's no methane issues here at all because in 1924 the miners introduced the artificial ventilation here in the salt mine.
Magluruwak silang kanin. Di uy salt na. Uy, damo kaya. Mugay. Ay, isa man eh. Ay na.
So, ladies and gentlemen, here in this excavation you can see an exhibition of different devices that were used here for the horizontal transportation in the salt mine. And starting with your left-hand side, to make the place more profitable. So the economical potential of salt. So the value of salt basically, when he was the ruler of Poland, about 1/3 of the Polish oil treasury came from salt. And many buildings which were they only have 10 tools, for example, big excess mines, which they use to excavate salt here. So in just a moment, we will go downstairs and you will be able to see the whole size of the thing. But before that, I would like to show you another.
Kadaghan mag-chamber.
Right now we are in the first fully accessible chapel in the with the Holy Chapel, which was built in 1860. I said built because you can see most of the poles that you can see was a very cheap resource to build with, and the salt preserved very well, as I already showed you. And basically here I would like to salt licks. Basically, these are like the little blocks which are given to the horses, for example, or to the animals on the farm or in the forests. I mean, when they lick it, I suppose it's good for their health.
Ay, tubig man din eh. Ah, man yung iyong swimming pool. Ano? Swimming pool. Swimming pool.
So, ladies and gentlemen, here in this chamber you can see the first artificial lake here in the salt mine, because this lake isn't here naturally. This excavation was filled with fully saturated brine to make the place more attractive for the tourists. So it is completely safe for the water to be here because the water has already so much salt in it that it cannot dissolve the salty walls around. So it's completely safe for the water to be here. So that will take us about 9 meters. And if we would like to push the water, we wouldn't really sink because it would basically push us back to the surface because of the salt in the water. It's basically the same water, pretty much the same water as it is, for example, the Dead Sea, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, thing. But here I just love it like it. Oh God.
Yes. Oh God.
Oh God.
Hallelujah. Oh God.
But I think that you might already notice that in every excavation we have seen today, you can see the rock slope, even though the excavating rock slope. The mine is less about thick shells of rock slope in every excavation to,
Nagbaw ni ukuan KFC. Ya break time man na mo kan sa amin. Nam nam. Dagi pang gutom lagi. Kanaog lasad mi. Muli na ta? Manguli na mi. Manguli na.
Cheese lot. Got lip top, no stop to the rocker, non nel mio jukebox, sono il top, lo so, ma hai fatto un